Am I really about to buy this new phone? The little Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. I think I'm doing it. Okay, read this, blah, 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 blah. Yep, continue, read, and, okay. I agree. And I guess I'm gonna hit the fucking place order. Did it. Watch it not get through. That'd be a lifesaver. Oh, fuck, it's all set. Alright, fuck me. Let's go pick it up. Don't you guys hate it when you guys have to back up your phone? You know, and then Verizon's like, yeah, you're gonna have to pay for the backup. I'm like, what the hell? I thought it was paying for the Verizon backup thing, like the 500 gig for a while now, but apparently not. It's only $5 for 500 gig, but damn. Y'all stingy bastards. But phone's ready. I need to go get tools, obviously, like I said earlier. Or did I even say it earlier? I don't think I did. Am I in the middle of the street? Dude, this thing is so friggin' long. I don't want to mess up. Alright, so I gotta go trade in my phone. I need tools from the shop. I need to take the fenders and other junk out of my garage so I can throw it at the dump at work. Who else likes getting new phones but hate trying to trade or transfer everything over? That is the worst experience ever. Dude, it's like 96 out right now and it's gonna be hot. Who in the world is calling me? All right, mom. All right, ladies and gents, so we figured out that the wiring may have been bad. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is try to trace this wire all the way back through the whole thing and then undo all this baloney down here, and hopefully I can find either a split or something going on. There's a fucking flag that won't fuck off, dude. I'm about to kill it. You're about to die on me, homie. Wow, bitch. But that's the next thing. I need to go through all of this wiring to see if I have an issue. Well, I found my issue, guys. I ran that ground, I ran that ground with every other ground, so that's a no-no. This should have went all the way straight to the PCM for the ground. So all I gotta do is click, and bam, run this one back to that one, and then there we go. That should be it. That's it. We're done. For right now, I might just put the PCM and just sit it inside this little vent here for the windshield motor. But that's out. I need to go get a hole saw. I don't freaking have one. So I need to take the whole dash out, make a hole on the backside here, big enough here, or go with this existing hole here as well. But for now, I think that's what I'm gonna do, is run everything right here so it's out of the way, and then put the fuse box back where it was, right here. I do got a new shifter cable. We shouldn't see this one melt ever again, I hope. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and then maybe jack up the back tires there, and then try to move it, since everything should be good to go now. Looks like I got a little bit of a leak from the tranny that I saw. But the shifter is in. It's all the way at the low, how they want. Now I should just be able to see if we're not binding. I'm gonna need a new shifter soon, or try to fix the teeth issue here. As you guys can see, that little lever right there is what controls everything. Yeah. And that goes forward. So that should be all the way forward. So let's go down here. This one we got. Third time's the charm on these, right? And that's all the way in park. So that's technically in, ready to go. I don't like that angle though. Yeah, that's in park. That's good. And that's, you know, not stress that at all. I should put those things on first too. So there's little grommets that go right here and right here. I'll go ahead and put those on too, just so dust and stuff can stay out. All right, guys, so moment of truth. Shifter cable in, harness and all that is back together, so we should have power. It's kind of scary. Okay, got power. I think the fuel pump's on, and I'm like really shitting bricks here. Now, why do you always have to be dead, man? Come on. Alrighty, now it should just fire right up. I friggin' hope. Give it some gas. Dang it. Alright, battery, keep charging. Having more issues now. This wire from the PCM is not giving it power to there. So something I cut did not like that. So I just went ahead and wired it straight. That's just for the fuel pump. Now I can hear it kick on. Alrighty, after much needed downtime, I came back, started looking over everything. I saw this ground right here only had 3 volts and this one had 12. So let's go ahead and try it again. Power. That didn't work now. That's not good. Alrighty. Was it burning off stuff or was this touching? This might have been touching. But hey, right now it runs. Guys, we're getting super close. I guess next video we're gonna fix all that again, because that's annoying. We burning off fucking other shit. I finally got to run for longer than 5 seconds, 6 seconds. This side's not burning. I'll probably need to hook that over or do something with this wiring harness. I can't have that be touching, but I don't know what. It's probably burning off stuff that's been leaked onto that power steering. But guys, those turbo manifolds over there, I hope it's sitting up just high enough so everything clears over here. If anything, I'll cut out the strut tower and push that hydraulic, all the hydraulic brake lines in there, and then so everything else is cleared up. Or just take the alternator, get an alternator relocation, take the power steering and throw that away and get a manual steering rack. Oh guys, this is stupid. I fix it and then I just noticed that was loose. As you can see, it's loose, and I was like, that's not good. So I cleaned everything off and re-grounded it. It works now. Fuck it. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe if you guys are not. We're so close to 300 subscribers. 5 away. Tell your friends, tell your family. I don't give a... Just tell your grandma, okay? Tell your grandma, nice little old grandma, subscribe to Cobby. If she asks what the hell a Cobby is, just say the dopest motherfucking thing out there, alright? But hope you guys like this video. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new. See you later. Peace out.